AI has a lot more to offer than just ChatGPT. With a set of powerful and easy-to-use tools, you can help your projects reach new heights and reach their full potential. These tools make my life easier and let me build faster and better than ever before. 1. Canvas. Text-to-image feature is a quick and easy way to make pictures from text for your next project. This tool will save your life. It let me use a simple and easy-to-understand interface to automatically make high-quality images from any text I put in. It was easy to make graphics, post for social media, and other visual content with it. 2. Write-a-Sonic. In addition to making content, Write-Sonic has a feature that rewrites text, which has helped me rewrite whole articles quickly. It makes it easy and quick to make high-quality content for blogs, emails, websites, and other places. The content is also optimized for SEO. 3. Descript has helped me as a beginner video editor. It makes editing videos easy and effective with its powerful tools and AI. With just a few clicks, you can add transitions, special effects, and more to your videos. If you want part 2 of this video, comment below.